Now, let's move on to evaluating algebraic expressions. Now, evaluating algebraic expressions is finding the value of an algebraic expression when you know certain values for the variables in the expression. In other words, when you are given a number, certain numbers to substitute for your variables in the expression, you can evaluate or you can find the value of the whole expression. Now, we have steps to follow in evaluating algebraic expressions. First, replace each variable by the given number value. Ikaduha, do the necessary arithmetic operations following the rules for the order of operation. Or as you know, sa elementary, gitawag na ito ni PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Now, PEMDAS or GEMDAS is the following. First, evaluate expressions within parentheses or similar grouping symbols. Meaning, unahon mo evaluate katong naasulod sa mga grouping symbols. After that, do all the exponential expressions or evaluate all powers. That's why, then sa PEMDAS, it's P, parentheses, or sa GEMDAS, which is grouping symbols. Then, kana nagsun niya nga mao na siya si exponent or powers. Then, si MDAS, multiply or divide from left to right. Take note ha, it's not necessary nga mag-start mo og multiply before divide. You can start with divide or multiply as long as it is from the left to the right. Ang imong pagkasunod sa multiplication or division. Okay? Then, lastly, we have add or subtract from left to right gihapon. So, it depends asay naguna nila, add ba or subtract, as long as you do the operation gikan sa left to right. What happened man good if you do not start from left to right is, because nanatay mga negative nga mga signs, sometimes makaligtaan na to og dala ang negative signs. That's why, na tendency o daghan og tendency og error kung dili ninyo i-perform from left to right. Okay ra man gyud pod og multiply una o sa nimo i-divide, but mao lagi you have to be careful with signs. Okay. So, examples dayon ta. For example, 2x plus 3. That is our expression. So, when x is equal to 5, so you are given a value to replace our x. So, first, replace each variable by the given number value. So, what you do, again, as I've said, magtapad gani ang duha ka number, imuha nga times. And again, we do not use x to indicate multiplication, but we use unsa ni parentheses to indicate that 2 is being multiplied to 5. Di po na pwede class, puro number imong taparon diretso, multiply na. Kay kung imong taparon diretso, mahimura ng 25. So, it should be kanang separated by the operator which is parentheses for our multiplication. So, can also use dot, pero mas makalibor ang dot kay later na tayo mga decimals. Okay, so, mone, gipulihan si x by 5. Look at. Okay, then plus 3. So, kanang mga si 2, si 3, constants na, din mo ilisan. Perform PEMDAS or GEMDAS. Okay, so, first, multiplication, division, kaya wala man tayo groupings, wala tayo exponents, so, multiplication ra, 2 times 5, 10. Dili, unahon rig plus, dya usay times diya, ha. So, 2 times 5 first, so that's 10, yeah, plus 3. Then, add 10 plus 3, that is 13. That is your answer. That's simple. Okay, nga na lang. Next. Sorry for that. Naghang. Okay. 2 times x plus y. When x is equal to negative 10 and y is equal to 3. So, replace each variable by the given number value. So, si x atong gialisdan og -10 here. Si y atong gialisdan og 3. So, perform now PEMDAS or GEMDAS. So, first, diba, grouping symbol. So, unahon na to sa sulod. So, 2, -10 plus 3 is -7. Diba, sa atong rule sa integer. So, mag-multiply ta og mag-add ta og different sign, minuson. So, ang sign sa dako nga number mo to itong gamiton. So, that's why -7. So, 2 times -7, that is equal to -14. And that is our answer. Last. How about this one? 3x squared over 12 plus y minus z when x is equal to 4, y is equal to -7, and z is equal to 9. So, tulo ka buok ang ato nga variables. And we have to replace each variable with the given nga mga values here. So, mo ni mga gitawag mga replacement set class. Okay? So, may kinakahinumdum ko. Yung mandi ko ganyan nga ato i-mention sa ato nga evaluating. Okay. Replace each variable by the given number value. Okay. So, si x here is being replaced by 4. Si y here is -7. And we have minus. Then z is 9. So, perform now PEMDAS or GEMDAS. So, naaman tayo grouping symbol, we do first inside the grouping symbol. So, -7 minus -7 minus 9, that is equal to -16. Then, next, atong ikuan ang exponent. Tara? So, 4 squared, that is 16. Next, kwanta, multiplication, division. So, first, ato silang i-times para ma-divide. 3 times 16, that's 48, divided by 12. And then, that is 48 divided by 12, that is 4, plus -16. So, 4 plus -16, adding different sign, so minuson. So, that is -12 because ang ato nga negative sign mo may dako og absolute value. Therefore, that is our answer. Okay. So, just observe, in case maglisod mo sa evaluating, you can go over the video. And of course, you can also ask me through sa ato nga kanang group chat or sa PM. Mas maayo o inyo akong i-private message. You can contact me also sa nga cellphone number. Pwede mo mag-text or magtawag para mas ma-explain ako further. Or, sa payuban, yung pamaagi, kaya nang reach out mo na ako. So, again, tungod kay maura man dyan itong pamaagi sa pagtudlo, no? Kung naglisod na mo, medyo mo lisod naman yun ito nga lesson. So, you can always ask me for reinforcement kung unsa gani, naglisod mo sa lesson. But, ang inyong video is readily available para ma-review ninyo, balik-balikon para mas masabtan kadugayan or mo make sense kadugayan ninyo nga tanaw. So, that would be all. Ato sa yan ang atong lesson dinhi dapita, and kindly do the activities diligently, and I hope you are going to enjoy math sa gihapon. Thank you and goodbye everyone.